Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to upload documents on Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload documents on Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a plus button available for us over here at the bottom right just above the share. Tap on the plus button and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the document option available for us, which is the third one just beside the videos. Tap on documents and tap on allow to all the notifications or access permissions required by Terabox, and let's tap on the toggle icon over here, and let's go back and let's do that again. Let's tap on the plus icon at the bottom right and let's tap on the documents, and all of the documents available on your phone will be shown to you. And in order to just upload it, tap on the document which you want to upload, and after that the upload button will be available for you at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the upload button over here at the bottom right, and that will be uploaded to your Terabox momentarily. And with that being said guys, this is how to upload documents on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.